Okay, this is lesson 2, ordering numbers on a number line. However, you're not always going to be asked to put them on the number line, but I want you to start there and then be able to do the ordering in your head because of two very important facts. First of all, we have to know where 0 is. Depending where you decide to put 0 on your number line, it could be in the middle, may not have to be, but I'll put a 0 there, and let's say I'll put a 0 here. I always need to know that the terms greater than excuse my writing, looking like that, means anything. If it's vertical, it is on top of the 0. If it's horizontal, it's to the right of the 0. If it's less than, then just the opposite. It's to the left of the 0 horizontally and below the 0 vertically. And we're going to be doing both. So let's do some practice. You'll need to be on page 258 of your book. All right, I'm going to start with some examples from the book, and I'm going to use these number lines to show how this works. And then I'm going to have you do some problems for practice after that. So I'm going to start right in the middle on number 4. And it says 3 is what then 0. So I'll put my 0 here. And I'm going to put my 3 above the number line because that's an answer. And that would go here. And I'm comparing it to 0. Because it's to the right, I want to say 3 is greater than or 0 is less than. You can write it two ways. You can say 3 is greater than 0 or 0 is less than 3. They're identical. You just say them differently. All right, the next one, -2 and 0. We'll use the other number line. We will put our numbers here. Let's say this is 0. And then we'll put our answers on the other side. Again, we're comparing something to 0. We're going to go down because it's -2. Put our answer there. -2, and watch out, I always write horizontally. So -2 is less than 0. Or 0 is greater than -2. All right, I would like you to do number 8, 9, 10, and 11. You do not have to put them on a number line, but I would like you to write them both ways, like this. One where you're using the less than symbol and one where you're using the greater than symbol. So number 8, 9, 10, and 11 you're going to do. And that's the end of our lesson.